What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Daisy from Johnny Minecraft. Let's begin today's lesson by drawing a large square along the top of our page. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right. Now I want to draw that same length line coming down the side of our square. So let's start with the left, coming all the way down, do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of our square. Now with our square in place, let's draw in the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this up and then down. Line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a large oval going across the top of the eye and then back down on the inside. And then do the exact same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. Now I'm push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw an oval going all the way around. Just tuck that in underneath the eyelid. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll go back up to the top and draw a small circle for a highlight. Just underneath the eyes, we're going to add a curve for the mouth, going down and up. Go back to the left side. We're going to come down across the bottom of the mouth and then back up. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw another curve coming down and up for the teeth. And then across the bottom, add a curve going up and down across the tongue. Let's go back to the top of the eyes and add a thick eyelash. We'll start from the side, go up higher in the middle, and then come down. Let's add a curl. Let's out and up. Come down and in towards the side of the eye. And we'll continue down, just taper that in. Let's fill the eyelash in black. Now we're going to draw the edge of the hair. Starting from the bottom corners of the eye, draw a straight line coming down. Now in between the eyes, we're going to start on the left, we're going to come straight across. Let's add a curl, coming down and in, and then back out. Let's move up and draw the eyebrows, going up and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. From the bottom corners of the head, we're going to step in, draw two straight lines coming all the way down towards the hips. Let's close off the hip with a straight line. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center, draw two lines coming down. Now we're going to go out on the side, come down and back in. Let's continue, just going to line this up, coming down towards the bottom. And we'll add a couple steps along the side, going out, and then down. Let's go back up to the top and draw a straight line across the collar. Now we're going to go back to the center, step down, add a point. Let's bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left, and then the right side. Now let's flatten off the feet with a straight line going all the way out towards the outside. Let's go back up to the hip. We want to draw that same curve, going out and then down towards the bottom. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the legs. From these two corners, angle this up and in with a short line. And we'll follow this curve going up and in towards the center and then back down. Let's move up from the bottom of the foot, draw a straight line going across on both sides. And then from the inside, we're just going to draw a slight angle coming back towards the back side of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hip. We're going to draw a trim. Just going to split the leg in half, coming down, right in the middle, and then draw a straight line going out. Now we're going to go up to the top of the body, step down, we're just going to bend the arms, going out and then down. Just going to line this up with the hips. Let's go back up top, angle the arms going up and then out just underneath the corner of the head. Follow that same curve on the outside, coming down. I'm going to flatten off the bottom with a straight angled line. Let's draw the inside and top edge of the arms. From this point, draw a straight line coming in, follow that curve coming in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to go up to the top corner, draw a straight line coming in towards the side. Let's separate the bottom of the arm, a straight angle line, step up and draw that again. And you want to line that up on the right side. Now I want to carry the stripe along the inside of the arm, so I'm going to come straight in. And now I'm going to separate the arm with a curve in the middle on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Daisy from Johnny Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.